It is in those moments in the dark where you actually build yourself. A saying that I live by is that life will get easy after it has gone hard.
Alright, yo. It's been it's been forever. It's been probably literally the longest I've ever been away from making YouTube content. You know, in that time, I really lost. I really lost myself. The very first day of this year, I was very inspired, very motivated, and I literally felt different, you know? My schedule changed. I had more responsibilities to take on. In the beginning, it was good. And then I started getting in my head about a lot of things. You know, I tried making time for my business. I tried making time for the things that I want to do. And I just kept falling short. Kept falling short every single time. You know, I finally ended up realizing
What is an income statement? An income statement is the summary of a business's revenues and expenses over a period of time.
what's good, y'all?
When we take our total revenue and subtract our expenses from it, then we work
What's good, y'all?
out our profit or our loss.
Currently, I'm about to go get a haircut because I've been slacking on my cut a bit, and I got some things coming, some new and exciting things coming for this year, and especially for this week. This week is on. Man, yo. What's new, man? What's new? Not gonna lie, y'all. That was tough. That rep was tough. 45 for 14. No freaking way. Damn, bro. Yeah, that rep was tough. But yeah, we here, man. I'll be mixing some like bodybuilding stuff with strength training and explosive training as well. So my body's gonna be completely different than what it's been. Way different. 10 reps. Or 9 reps. I don't know. Alright, next set. Alright, y'all. Yeah, it's been a minute, man. It's been a minute. It's been a minute, but welcome back. I'll be honest, just a lot of things I had to handle, get in line, deal with. You know, I had just a few months to be able to finish an exam that I gotta finish, right? I still didn't finish it, but I had to really humble myself, settle down because my schedule got busy. But hey, we back at it now.